Welcome to the day 2 of my self-development journey. Knowing your value. Big part of a journey to self-development is knowing your value. Learn to set boundaries. Kapag pakiramdam mo, hindi mo na nakikitang pinapahalagahan ka, learn to stop. You deserve to be treated the right way. Emotions oftentimes was hard to manage, but day to day, we have to take small steps to learn doing it. I know it will take a lot of time, but taking the first step now is still an achievement that I should celebrate.